and we'll take her up to see my daughter. My daughter works at a vet clinic. She's a veterinary assistant. So we take her up there. So we'll take her up there and have Brittany check her out. But we're waiting on Teresa to show up to come pick us up. But there's Callie right there. So, but she just not feeling too good. There she is. All right, good morning. We're sitting here in Ontario, California. We're at the Petro truck stop. We got here late last night. That's the fuel aisle right there. We're in reserved parking. Let me bring you back around. We left the house yesterday. Today's Monday the 11th, Veterans Day. So thank you for everybody who served. We left the house yesterday. We got about an hour to go pick up our load for today. They don't want us there till 11 o'clock, and it is 9 o'clock here. So we're gonna leave probably the next 30-45 minutes. Takes about an hour to get there. Even though this is reserved parking, you still gotta pay to get in the parking lot or leave the parking lot. And or it's $20 or buy $20 worth of product at the store. So instead of just giving them $20, I went and bought a over the seat like pocket organizer thing. I've been looking at them for a while, but it sits like this, and then this goes over the edge of the seat. It's got all kinds of pockets, more little cubby spaces to so here you guys can see. So it'll sit over the seat like that right there. And then it's got all the pockets in the back there. So anyway, that's $20. So it's either spend $20 and get something or give them $20 for parking. Either way, I got here last night and I was the last truck to get here in the paid parking. And man, of course the last parking spot's the hardest one there is. And it took me 20 minutes to back into this spot right here. That's because this guy, he doesn't have his trailer right there, but this guy right here, his truck was sitting way out. And then if you see that white truck right there, right straight ahead, that white truck, he's sitting out a little bit. But man, it took me like 20 minutes, and luckily there was a nice guy to come over and help me. We got Callie with us. Come here, Callie. She's right here. So she'll be riding with us for a while. But we're gonna go pick this up. We got a big tarp job. We're gonna pick this up, swing by the house, and then head up to Wichita, Kansas. Got to be there on Thursday. So anyway, all right, I'll check back in with you in a minute. All right, I think we're ready to go. It's about 9:30 here. We put us over to about 10:30. Traffic don't look too bad. It says it should take 48 minutes. That's car time though, that's not truck time, so it'll probably take a little over an hour to get there. But we're gonna make our way through the truck stop here. And we rode around here, oh, let's see, probably been maybe 4 or 5 months ago.
Keep right to North Milliken Avenue.
But all these parking spots on the left-hand side here, they're all reserved spots. Which is fine with me. Because like I said, I left the house.
North Milliken Avenue.
Let me turn this off for a second. There we go. I left the house a little late, and like I said, I didn't get down here till about 10 o'clock. And there's no way I would have found a parking spot in this truck stop at 10 o'clock at night. Go by. I'm gonna pay attention. Alright, go in here. Let's see, I gotta figure out how to get out of here. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Alright, let's swing it wide. See if we can get down this road here. I don't know, might have been better off go to next row over. We see how like this guy's parked way out like this? Squeeze. You can imagine 10 o'clock at night, there's trucks parked everywhere they're not supposed to be. Makes it that much harder to get in and out. It's gonna take 15 minutes to get out of truck stop. The whole video will just be us trying to get out of the truck stop. People waiting in line. Wow, this is a mess. All right, this is going to take a while. There are trucks everywhere. I'll talk to you when we get over there. So, because this is going to take about 30 minutes just to get out of truck stop here. Talk to you in a bit. Alright, we made it out of the truck stop. And this must be the time to leave. Look at all these trucks waiting to get in here. It took us 15 minutes from the time we pulled out of the spot to right here. It took 15 minutes to get to right here. Crazy, 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 crazy. Let this guy in here.
Keep right on to North Milliken Avenue.
Alright, let's make our way over there, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, I think we're almost near where we need to be. Traffic wasn't too bad, I guess. Looking at the satellite picture for Google Maps. Out where it's at, because I would sure hate to miss it. The name of this road is Alcoa, and I'm wondering if it's the same Alcoa for the aluminum Alcoa.
In 600 feet, your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
There it is, 50. Yes. Okay. Huh. What I'm getting. I wonder what I was getting. I see coils here, so I don't know. Everything in California always so tight to get in and out of. You would think we were in it on the East Coast. You would think we were on the East Coast. All right, we're here. Let's figure out what's going on. Talk to you in a bit. All right, it is Tuesday. We are back in Benson, Arizona. We're back home. There's our train tracks. Yesterday was an extremely long day. Last night was a long night. Callie got sick, so when I had her on the truck before, it'd been a while. Camera turned off. When I had her on the truck before, it's been a while. She got sick before. And that's the reason I took her to California, because I knew it'd be coming back. See how she does. We don't know if it is her nerves or what, but she got an upset stomach last night and diarrhea, and that is hard to deal with when you're in the truck. So we're going to let Mom pick her back up, take her home. And we'll take her up to see my daughter. My daughter works at a vet clinic. She's a veterinary assistant. So we take her up there. So we'll take her up there and have Brittany check her out. But we're waiting on Teresa to show up to come pick us up. But there's Callie right there. So, but she just not feeling too good. There she is. So, we'll go out and take a look. We had a big tarp job that we had to do yesterday. So we'll go out and take a quick look at that. I'm going to go home and get a shower. I haven't had a shower yet. And we're going to drive some more today. Get over, hopefully over by Las Cruces. Maybe Alamogordo. So, all right. We'll go outside, take a look at what we got. All right, we're down here. Teresa came to pick up Callie. We'll take a picture. We'll take a look at our load. And but there's Callie in a Jeep getting ready to go home, so hopefully she feels better. All right, let's take a look. That's I-10 right up in there. So this is what we got. We ended up with three big crates. This one piece right here. Here, let's walk around to the other side. The wind has been pretty rough, and it's taken a beating on my bungees and my tarps. So I'm gonna have to fix all that right there. Just put another bungee. Let's see how this looks back here. That's holding up. This back crate was a little funky. Here, the sun's on this side, so we'll take a look. So there's three big crates. There's one crate right there, there's one crate here, and there's a crate here. They're supposed to be airplane parts, and they're going over to a airplane manufacturer over in Wichita. So, but yeah, the wind, you can see Busted a couple bungees, but that's what we got. The whole thing only weighs about 10,000 pounds. So we used our big 8-foot drop tarps. So everything looks pretty good. So there's Callie. So I'm gonna go home, get a shower, probably grab some lunch, and then we'll do some more driving tonight. So talk to you in a bit. All right, we're over here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. We dropped Callie off with Mom, and I had called Brittany, and I was telling her what was going on, and I was surprised that there's actually a name for the nervousness of Callie. So I was gonna call Brittany here and talk to her.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I'm recording.
Okay.
Hey, all right. So I talked to you earlier. I told you what was going on with Callie, and
Right.
you said that there is a name for it.
Yes, it's called stress colitis.
Stress colitis.
Yeah.
And is it pretty normal with dogs? You were talking about like with boarding and stuff like that when they're away from their owners or in a different environment?
That or companies over the house, lots of things going on.
Oh, okay. So she had, loose stool and she, a little bit of vomiting, but you think she'll be okay?
What was that?
I said she had a little bit of loose stool and some vomiting. Do you think she'll be okay? Now she's back home.
Yeah, she'll be okay.
All right. Yeah, we got her some pumpkin because you recommended pumpkin. But I just wanted to check in with you, say hi to everybody. So.
Okay. Hello.
This is Brittany, my daughter. She's a vet tech, and I just wanted to talk to her real quick. But all right, I know it's getting late. I was trying to call you before you go to bed. It's been a long day for me too.
Okay.
So, all right. Well, I appreciate the info. I'll talk to you later.
All right. Bye.
Bye. All right. So anyway, I think Callie will be all right. I don't think she'll come back out on the road anytime soon. I had her out. It was a while ago. I had her out on the road, and she kind of went through the same thing. She's getting old. She's 9 years old. So, she's getting old. She doesn't want to be, she wants to have a stable environment, be at home all the time. She just kind of lounges around the house a lot too. So, anyway. All right. We got another long day tomorrow. We got about 750 miles from here up to Wichita, Kansas. And we got to be there Thursday morning-ish. And we're right behind the cold spell, all this cold weather that's been going through. So I think we're going to be okay. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.